After you've made your list of 100 friends and family and 99% of them have told you no, what do you do? Imagine if you could get 50 red hot, ready to buy MLM leads for less than $1.50 per lead using Facebook ads. How would that change your business? Would you finally recruit someone? Would you rank advance, walk across your company stage, maybe make your family proud? Well, guess what? It's possible, right? It's possible to get 50 MLM leads for less than $1.50 per lead using Facebook ads. In fact, just check out the results of my clients, right? They're getting leads for less than $1.50. Not only are they getting qualified leads for dirt cheap, they're also getting people to complete an application to work with them. And it is possible for you if you have these three essential things. And I'll tell you what they are in just a second. But first, let me introduce myself. I'm Antonio Thompson from AntonioRThompson.com, and I'm coming to you from my home office here in Brooklyn, New York. I run a Facebook marketing agency where we help home business owners and entrepreneurs generate more leads, sales, enrollments, and customers using Facebook ads and messenger marketing. So what are the three essential tools you need to generate 50 MLM leads for less than $1.50? Well, the first thing you need is what we call a lead magnet, right? And this is essentially a free giveaway, something that is valuable to your audience that they really want and will be prepared to do anything for, like give you their name and email address. Some ideas of free giveaway are a free PDF guide, a video, an audio, an ebook, or a blog post. But essentially, these are things that are valuable that are related to your end goal. Either you're looking to get people to buy your product, or you're getting people to you want people to join your opportunity. This offer, this lead magnet, should be relevant to that. Here's some examples of lead magnets. Here's one example for home business owners, right? How to generate red hot leads without spending a dime on paid advertising. This is a free training that you can give away. This could be another lead magnet download, right? How to recruit quality leaders into your MLM business, even if you're just getting started. Here's some more examples of lead magnets: SEI Cleanse. We've also got Free Report reveals 5 dirt cheap tools I use to create all my videos. Ultimate Facebook ad template library, right? Free report, 10 fast and natural weight loss tricks no one is telling you about. And yours free 52 headline hacks, a cheat sheet for writing blog posts that go viral. So essentially, a lead magnet is something that you create, or you can leverage a third-party tool that you're giving away to your ideal customer in exchange for their name, email, and sometimes phone number. The next thing you need is a way to capture information. So we call this a funnel system. And so when someone wants your free offer, there has to be a way for them to opt in, right? Give you their name and email address and sometimes phone number so you can give them what you promised them. So for example, here, if I click on download now, I can now enter in my name and my email and also my phone number here, which you as the business owner will get, and the person will receive their offer. And they're taken to a thank you page, which gives them the training, which is here, and then gives them more information about what it is you are providing here. And that's what we call a funnel system. Now, if you're leveraging a third-party lead magnet, sometimes they'll have a funnel system built into that lead magnet, and you can just use their funnel system. Other times you may have to use your own and build your own. Now, I'm going to show you a simple tool that I use to build my funnels. Here's a tool called Funnelizer that I use to build some of my funnels, and it's very straightforward and easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and click on the green button that says Create a Funnel. And let's say I was creating one for my business opportunity. So I'm going to call this my travel business opportunity. I'll give it a little slug here, travel, and I'll create my funnel. Next thing I'm going to do is select, give my page a name, travel opt-in. Let's call this opt-in. Scroll down, find a template I want to use. I like this because it's like looks like travel. Use template. I'm going to save the page, right? And I'm going to create a second page which will serve as my thank you page, right? Thank you page. And let's find a good thank you page. So I'm going to show them a video of my opportunity. We'll put that there and save page. Now I have my 2-page funnel set up, and go ahead and just edit the copy and the image if I wanted to, right? So I'll say 100%, let's say free video reveals how to travel the world without putting a dent in your retirement savings, right? We'll click name and email. We'll say when someone clicks on this button, it goes to the next page in the funnel. So we'll go to page funnel, go to thank you page, we'll hit save and publish. And then we'll go to the next page, which is the thank you page. And we'll edit this page here. And we'll just say, we'll hide this logo here. Congrats, here's your free video, right? We'll put the video here. I'll just grab one that I have on here somewhere. Let's go with that one. Will that play? Cool, that'll play there. We'll save, publish. And now if we go back to the start of the funnel, all we got to do is start the variation, publish the funnel. We'll go to the link here and you'll see this work magic. I'll put that there. I'll type in my name again and my email. Hit yes, give me lifetime access. And here's the video. Boom, and that's it. All right, so the final tool you need now is a follow-up system, right? So this is after someone opts in to your lead magnet, right? How are you going to follow up with your new leads, right? On thank you page, they got the training that you promised them, the PDF you promised them, and now you've generated a lead. Your goal is to connect with them and communicate with them through email and phone number and track your activity, right? The fortune is in the follow-up. And so if you're not following up with your leads, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Here's a tool that I use to follow up with my prospect. As you can see here, when I opted into the first training, right, my name came into the system here, Antonio, my email address. If I open it up, I'll see data here, right? My name is here, my email is here, my phone number is here, the exact source of the lead is here, so I know exactly where this lead came from, and now I can manage my communication with this prospect, right? I can add their social media contact here, their website, their Facebook account, their Instagram, Twitter, all this stuff I can add in here. I can send them emails directly from the CRM here. We call this a CRM customer relationship manager, right? But it's really a follow-up tool. I can schedule tasks, so I can remind myself, okay, let me call him tomorrow, right, at 11 o'clock a.m. Schedule task. And it shows up right here. I can take notes on the prospects. So no more needing of notepads and composition notebooks to keep track of your prospects and your leads. You can have all that pertinent information here inside of the CRM, right? The prospect follow-up system. So I can say, call on tomorrow. He was not available to chat today. Save note. I can also log interactions. So if I said I called him today, right? Left voicemail, right? No answer. Or he did answer and told me, no answer, right? I can also rate the prospect, right? So these happen automatically, but I can rate the prospect here in terms of this follow-up. Right? So if I edit that, I give him 3 stars, right? Save interaction. And so now he's a 3-star rating out of 5. So this is a very powerful tool in terms of keeping track of your prospects, exactly when you spoke to them last, scheduling your next appointments, and sending emails directly from this tool here. Was this helpful and valuable? Right? By now you see the value in running Facebook ads that generate leads, and you now know the only way to do so is by having these 3 essential tools: a free giveaway, a funnel building system, and a follow-up system. And honestly, you can go out there and find software companies that offer each of these 3 essential tools separately and spend several hundreds of dollars on each of them individually. Or you can take action now and check out the marketing and training platform MySystem Pro, which gives you all 3 for an enormous discounted price if you were to buy all 3 separately, right? So because you've watched this training to the very end, you owe it to yourself to at least check it out. All you've got to do is click the button on the screen or the link in the description box below and see that it's a fit for you. Imagine how amazing it's going to feel when you're generating 5 to 10 leads per day for your business. Imagine, how amazing it's going to feel when you finally achieve success with your business. The choice in front of you is yours and yours alone. You hold all the power right now, and where we go from here is totally up to you. But I do hope this video was helpful and valuable to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.